Hello everyone, good day. So here I am again with a new video. So for this video, I will talk about my forecast, my expectations, and some trading ideas for this coming Monday. So our topic is about these four pairs, the Australian dollar versus JPY, Euro dollar versus USD, and GBP USD plus gold. Okay, so first things first, we go to our forex factory for our calendar. So next week, Monday, we will have a red folder news at around 8:30 p.m. in my time, GMT plus 8. So that will be around New York session. Okay, so that won't affect us because our trade is during Asian session for Australian dollar JPY, or I call it AJ. Okay, so as you can see, here we are in our chart. Now that we have checked our calendar, we proceed to our chart. So we are in a daily time frame. So as you can see, our price is now in a very good position, since we all know that price only goes to two positions. One is go to external range liquidity, then go back to internal range liquidity. So as you can see here, we went from sweeping the ERL, or external range liquidity, then now price is in internal range liquidity. You can see that here, right? So price went into our daily fair value gap. So my expectation for this coming Monday is that price will move up. So from IRL, my expectation is price will now go to ERL, which is somewhere here, to liquidate this area. Okay, so now I will dig deeper to explain to you what is my trade ideas for this pair on Monday. So now that we have our bias, or daily bias, for this pair, which is bullish, we now go to our 1 hour time frame. Okay, so in our 1 hour time frame, you can clearly see, by the way, this is my trading zone. I marked this already, which is from 7:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. on Monday. Okay, so as you can see, this is my idea for Monday. So since price is here, and this is the area that I'm expecting for price to break, since this will be our CISD, or change in state of delivery. Okay, so I also marked some POIs here below, because my expectation is if price is bullish, then we should go up first a little bit to break this, or then after that go down to liquidate either this POI or this POI, or if we form along the way, if we form new POIs, then price will liquidate that before going up. Okay, so after I drew this, after I have my chart marked in 1 hour, so now I have my narrative. Go to the 5-minute time frame, so you can also see how it looks like in a 5-minute time frame. Okay, so this is how it looks like in a 5-minute time frame. So here, as you can see, we have our daily buy side liquidity here. So that will be our draw on liquidity, our target. But for now, there's nothing to do. but to wait for Monday. So when Monday comes, I'll just wait for price to do its thing. Then I hope my idea, which is for price to go up first, then go down to mitigate either this, or newer POIs. By the way, POI is point of interest. So before it goes up. So from there, let's see. Hopefully, this idea and this expectation would happen. So we will have a good trade on Monday. Okay? So I hope that's clear now for our AJ pair. Okay? So now let's go back to our daily time frame. And then I'll move to EU, Euro USD, show you my idea for this pair. Okay, so for this pair, as you can see, EU was so bullish, which is the opposite of dollar index, because dollar index was so bullish. So EU was so bearish, and when market closed, price is below our external range liquidity. So for me, my bias for that is bullish, but the overall bias for this pair is bearish, as you can see. We broke this, then broke this again. So for me, when Monday comes, I think I won't trade this first because I want to see more candles forming for this. But my expectation for this pair is for price to go up either here to mitigate this IRL or here also before going down. Now, my plan for this pair is to wait to come here or here before I engage. Now, when price will come here, I will observe the reaction and go down to my lower time frame to look for entries. If it gives us an entry, then I'll ride this going down. Or if it reaches here, the same thing, I will also look for entries and ride this thing go down. Okay, so I hope that's clear. So that's for EU. Now let's go to GU, which is basically almost the same because they are like twins. So for GU, this is our chart on the daily. So as you can see, almost the same with EU. Price has reached this sell side liquidity, which is our ERL. So now I'm expecting price to go up before going down again. Now, unlike EU, for EU we have two IRLs. So I think I like GU better because we only have one option. So once price reaches this zone, I'll go down to my lower time frame and look for entries to ride this baby going down. Okay, so I hope that's clear now. So for next week, watch out for these pairs, or you can also ride this going up, but of course you need to have some confirmation in the lower time frame. You must see the change in state of delivery and then look for your entry in the lower time frame before going up. But for me, I think I'll wait for the price to come here because it's much better to ride this going down, since as you can see our market structure is bearish. So I want to ride this going down, which is short. Okay, so I hope that's clear for GU. So now let's go to our gold. So for gold, my expectation and my trade idea for this is that gold is also like EU and GU, where usually when dollar index is like right now, dollar index is so bullish. So as you can see, gold is gold is going down, which is bearish. So okay, see here that gold broke this ERL here. So from ERL, then we have our IRL here. So I'm expecting price to continue going down to mitigate this daily FTG. Now, for this pair, if you observe, the market structure is bullish. So it's either you wait for price to get here before you ride this baby going up, or you can also look for trade entries, because if you go to 1 hour time frame, as you can see, in our 1 hour time frame, we already had our change in state of delivery. Then we have our POIs here in the form of 1 hour PDAs. This. So for Monday, we only trade this during New York session. So I mark this zone here. This is the New York session. So maybe you have to wait, since we have a red folder for dollar index on Monday, as you can see. So maybe after the news, you can look for entries, and maybe by that time price is here or here, then maybe you can ride this baby going down. Okay, but for me, the best way is to wait for price to come to this area, the IRL, since we came from ERL to IRL. So now from IRL, I'm waiting for price to go up. Okay, so that's my expectation and trade idea for gold. Okay, so I hope that's clear. So I guess that's all for this video, and I hope you got some ideas from this, which can help you with your trading this coming week. Okay, so it's simple. I just want to talk a little more regarding our daily bias. So it's actually simple, because price does two things only. It goes to our external, which is in a form of swing high, or if it's bearish, then swing low. Then after it breaks or sweeps an external range liquidity, the next move for the price is to go down to our internal range liquidity. Now, from internal range liquidity, expect for price to go up again to mitigate this area, our new external range liquidity. Okay, so that's simple. But of course, you need more information for that if you go down to the 1 hour and 5 minute for your entry. So for now, that's all. I hope you have gained some ideas, and I hope you like this video. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, support with a like for my videos, and also please click the notification bell so you'll get updated every time I have new videos in my channel. So thank you for watching, and may God bless you always, and have a great weekend ahead of you, and see you all on Monday. Okay, so AJ, come here, say hi.
Hi!
Come here, hindi ka makita sa camera. Hindi ka makita. Here, oh.
Hi!
Come here. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Okay guys, that's my son. His name is AJ, which is the same with our AJ, our Australian dollar JPY. So That's all for now. And God bless us all. This is me, AlfoxDayTrader, saying adios.